This is 100 pounds. In 2024, this is supposed to cover my food, my transport, and my social life for the next 7 days. With inflation hitting record highs and a single coffee costing £5, is this even possible, or am I going to be starving by Thursday? Let's find out. The clock starts now. Before we start, here are the ground rules. 1. The 100-pound covers everything except rent and utilities. 2. No emergency credit card swipes. 3. If the balance hits 0, the challenge is over. My biggest fear? The hidden costs. Commuting, that one quick drink with friends, and the ultimate budget killer. The supermarket. Day 1. The strategy in the shop. Day 1 is all about the big shop. If I blow 60 pounds here, I'm dead in the water. I'm skipping the big brands and heading straight for the wonky veg and the yellow stickers. I just spent 32 pounds and 40 pence. That's a third of my budget gone in 20 minutes. I got oats, rice, beans, and some frozen chicken. It's not fancy, but it's fuel. Day 2. The reality check. The grind begins. Day 2. And the novelty is already worn off. Usually, I'd grab a breakfast pot and a latte on the way to the station. That's 10 pounds easy. Instead, I'm eating overnight oats that taste like wet cardboard. I'm realizing that living on a budget isn't just about the money. It's about the time. I spent 40 minutes prepping lunch and breakfast today just to save 12 pounds. My hourly rate for saving money is basically below minimum wage right now. Day 3. The midweek slump. It's Wednesday. Usually I grab a meal deal or a coffee on the way to work. Today, I'm drinking lukewarm office tea and eating the pasta bake I made 2 days ago. The hardest part isn't the food, it's the social pressure. My friends just text me to go for pizza. A cheap night out would cost me £25 minimum. I had to say no. Living on a budget can be pretty lonely. Day 4. The social isolation, the hump day struggle. It's Thursday and the frugal fatigue is real. My co-workers are heading to pub because it's a sunny afternoon. 1 pint will be 7 pounds. That is 10% of my remaining budget. This is the part people don't tell you about. Budgeting is lonely. I'm sitting here eating a 40p tin of beans while everyone else is out. My bank account looks okay, but my mental health? Not so much. Day 5. The disaster. We have a problem. I've got 14 pounds left. I have 2 days to go, and I just realized I didn't budget for transport/household items/emergency. This is where most people fail. Every penny now feels like a life or death decision. Do I walk 40 minutes in the rain, or do I eat a smaller dinner tomorrow? Day 6. The scrape and the temptation. It's Saturday. Day 6. This is officially the danger zone. My fresh food is gone. I'm sick of my own cooking, and it's the one night of the week when everyone is out spending money. The temptation to just grab a quick takeaway is screaming at me. But then I looked at the math. If I had lived my normal life this week, the coffees, the Uber home, the Saturday night dinner, I would have spent 280 pounds by now. By sticking to my 100-pound limit, I've effectively earned 180 pounds in savings. Tonight's gourmet dinner? Leftovers surprise. It's basically rice, the last of the frozen peas, and a lot of hot sauce to hide the sadness. One more day. Just one more day. Day 7. The final verdict. It's Sunday night. I have exactly 1 pound and 20 pence left in my account. I survived, but did I live? Honestly, this week was a wake-up call. We spend so much on convenience without thinking, but living like this long-term, it's exhausting. It's a constant mental calculation of, can I afford this? If you're struggling with the cost of living, you aren't alone. I've linked some of the budget recipes I used in the description. Can you survive on 100 pounds a week? Let me know your best money-saving tip in the comments. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more challenges. I'm going to go buy a very expensive burger now. See ya.